Hey Puzzler, welcome to Payazee channel.
Today on Payazee channel, we have to unlock the lock by cracking the code with 5 simple tips as displayed on your screen. So friends, I am Payazee, your brain challenging game buddy. You are in the right place for your brain exercise and solve the puzzle riddle along with me. Hit the red subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss my new video. So as displayed on your screen, we have to crack the code and unlock this lock by using the 5 simple tips. So first tip number 1 is 342. One number is correct and wrongly placed. Tip number 2 is 2 numbers are correct but wrongly placed. Tip number 3 is nothing is correct. Tip number 4 is 1 number is correct but wrongly placed. And tip number 5 is 165. 2 numbers are correct and wrongly placed. So we have to solve this puzzle and open this lock using this tip. So we can go in any order. From tip 1 to 5 we can go in any order and we can solve. So let's start with the solution. So meanwhile, please pause the video and try to solve this answer and comment your answer in the comment section. So let's start with the solution. I will go with tip number 3 first. So tip number 3 says nothing is correct, which is the simplest one. So I will mark all the wrong number 264 and strike off in the codes everywhere. So we found in tip number 1 and in tip number 3 and also in the tip number 4. Even in tip number 5 also we found 6 number. So that is incorrect. So let's start with the next tip. It's tip number 1. Number 1 is correct but wrongly placed. So we have third number 3, which is correct but it is wrongly placed, and we don't know, it might be on the second place or it might be on the third place. So let's go to the next tip. It's tip number 4. 1 number is correct but wrongly placed. So from tip number 1 we got 3 number, and tip number 4 there is also 1 number which is wrongly placed. So that is also 3 number. So from tip number 1 and 4 we can say that 3 won't be placed at number 1 and neither it will be placed at number 3rd. So it will be on the middle position. So the number 3 will be on the middle position. So we got 7 number as the wrong number. Let's mark it, strike it off. And the next tip is 2 numbers are correct and well placed. So from the tip number 5 we got our number. We don't need to solve the tip number 2 itself. So here we got 6 number as cross mark because from tip number 3 it is wrongly placed. So from tip number 5 our number is 1 and 5. So our crack the code number is 135. So friends, hope you like my puzzle and enjoy this crack the code puzzle. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.